we can consider that during the we take normally the meat or more kind of the non-vegetarian food. So that time the uric acid level increases, which causes the pain on the great toe, where there is the purine derivatives are there. Purine substances will convert in the form of the purates that will be deposited. We can try these points, will be really helpful to treat for the uric acid metabolism. So one point to be known as a tun, that is the liver 1 increase the energy. Liver 1 increase the energy. Sir, what is the increase? Increase, what is the decrease? So this is the repletion. Increase the energy. For example, liver 1 point is located. Where is located on the great toe? Medial side or the lateral side? Medial side is the spleen 1. Where is the liver 1 is located?
Lateral side.
Yes, good. Lateral side of the great toe. Point 1 chun proximal to the lateral corner of the nail base of the great toe to be known as a liver 1. That is the da dun. Right. So da dun, liver 1 point. Yeah, right leg. That would be better. If the pain is on the left side, select left side. Pain is on the right side, then use it on the right side. So now liver 1 point is located on the lateral side of the corner. That is, sir, what is the increase? That is the increase of the energy. That means you apply the needle towards the tonification, towards the energy flow. Now I am applying the liver 1 point. So this is as a tonification. We can see this is as a tonification towards the energy flow. Where the energy starts? It starts from here. It goes upward direction. Energy is going like this. The energy is going on the medial side and then is the pelvic region. It ends on the 6th intercostal space. Below the 6th rib, it terminates the energy. That means it's going from down to up energy, moving the direction. So towards the direction you wanted to apply, that point to be known as a tonification. That point to be known as a tonification. So hopefully you understand that. So this liver 1 is the tonification, 1 point to increase the energy of the liver. And also the second point to be known as a LU7. LU7 point is sedation. LU point is sedation. Where the lung energy starts? It starts from the chest cavity, terminates on the thumb. Now in which direction you wanted to apply LU7? So LU7 applying the sedation, you just do it in this way. This is as a sedation. You look into that, LU7 is the sedation. That means anti-direction of the energy flow. That means the lungs energy starts and then ends on here, coming downwards direction. Activated opposite direction. Activated in the opposite direction of the energy flow is a sedation. Or you wanted to apply just superficially, because this point to be done in the horizontal direction is not that perpendicular. So this point to be good for the uric acid, decrease the level of the range. Then the third point to be known as a H7 increase. H7, this LU7 is which point? Luo connecting point. This is a H7 increase. So this point to be known as a source point of the heart meridian, and also this point to be known as a sedative point of the heart. Then this point increase the energy. This point you just increase the energy. You just applying. See the direction. See the direction towards the energy flow. Where the energy starts, heart energy starts from the axilla. From the axilla it descends the downwards direction. Then from the medial side, medial side of the palmaris tendon, that is the palmaris ulnaris tendon. Flexor carpi ulnaris tendon. This tendon to be known as a flexor carpi ulnaris tendon. Tendon lateral side, tendon medial side. This is the medial side, means is small intestine meridian. So this tendon, all of you touch and feel where that point is located. Whenever I'll show you the point, yourself do the experience. Try to analyze. If you don't feel that or you don't know about it, cross check with me, then you make me to correction. This is the point, this is the tendon. From the tendon on the inside of the tendon, that means this is the lateral side, this is the medial side. The lateral side of the tendon in the depression on the wrist crease where the pisiform bone is there. Under this point, which bone is there? Pisiform bone is there. That bone to be known as a one of the wrist bone. So that superior to that region, this H7 point. This is the tonification. Sir, H7, you can ask me the question. This is the sun point. But sedative point, anti-direction we should apply. Why we wanted to apply is the tonification. But of course, this works as the anti-creative cycle. Do you know there is a creative cycle or the production cycle? But this works as the anti-creative cycle. So you just apply is a H7 in this direction. Right? So this would be really better. And also the pericardium 9 tonification. P9 tonification, but I don't want to apply to my hand. It's really painful. But I'll show you. Micro needles idra kodamma. So we just applying towards this. Allah, it's too painful. So we just apply in this direction. This is as a P9. This as a P9, right? So we just apply P9, the point you can see, the pericardium 9. If you are in dilemma, you just apply perpendicular also, no harm. But hopefully, chung chung. This point name is chung chung.